All right, classes, I hope everyone's doing well. This is a quick video tutorial on how to use Canvas app on your phone to submit assignments if I require you to submit a couple problems. First thing, you should have the Canvas student app downloaded and hopefully signed in. So if you didn't do that yet, that's the first thing you should have done. It's the same login as it is for your Chromebooks and stuff. So anyway, once you are ready to go, you can click the app, which I will do right now. The app will load. You will pick the class that is my class. For this demonstration, I have a practice course, so I'm going to go down there. But if you're in Algebra 2, you click that. If you're in Calc 3, if you're in Pre-Calc, you go to those. So here's my practice course. Now, you can go to the module if you want, or you can maybe just click on assignments. The key is to find the correct assignment. So for example, I'm going to go to assignments. And I've only created one. So this is one I'm going to do for pre-calc, actually. So if you're from pre-calc, this is applicable. I have a 331 assignment that is due. So to upload an assignment, all you have to do is click on the assignment. So I'm going to click on that assignment. And then I am going to, it doesn't say anything. I have to upload it. So at the bottom, you should see the blue bar that says Submit Assignment. So I'm going to click on that. When it says choose a file, look at the bottom. It says camera, gallery, or device. The best thing to do is just go to camera and take a picture of the assignment that I want you to submit. So I'm going to do that. I hit the camera button. My camera comes on. I'm going to take a picture of the work I just did. Snap. Then I hit OK. And then you can go up to the top and hit submit. Now this is not going to work for me because I am the teacher, but it should work for you. It'll say there is an error for mine, but that's okay because again, I'm the teacher. For you guys, it should just work. And that's how easy it is to write some stuff down on a piece of paper and then take a picture and submit it onto Canvas. If you have other questions, please email me. Thank you.